Assalamualaikum class 9. Hope you will be good and you have seen my previous lecture. It's on unit number 10, drug addiction. We have started the chapter. We have done first 3 paragraphs. We also done first 2 textbook question answers and all difficult words meaning given in first 3 paragraphs. It was about drug addiction and the abuses of drug addiction. Now today date is 29/6/2020. It's my 10th lecture and day is Monday. So we will continue that how the drug addiction is a big abuse for the society. See paragraph number 4. Rehabilitation centers are the most places for the recovery process of the addict. So rehabilitation centers बहाली के जो मराकज़ हैं are the best place for the recovery process of the addict. So for the addicts, rehabilitation centers are the best places for the recovery of the patient. Complete medical support and guidance is provided to these people in these centers. So in these centers, all the drug addicts, all the victim or the patient has provided medical support as well as the guidance of the medical staff, as well as the psychiatrists do counseling of the patient to improve them. Drug abusers therefore must be taken to proper and certified rehabilitation centers where proper treatment and cure is available for them. So we should see the certified rehabilitation centers for the drug abusers so that they should be treated well in these centers. However, this requires rapid identification of the problem. So in these centers they do rapid mean fast, identification means recognition of the problem. So they will recognize or identify the problem of the victim of the drug addiction and fully cooperation of the victims with the team of these centers. So there is a full medical team and the psychiatrists who work on the patient and they can recognize the problem of the drug addict so that he can be easily improved. So fully cooperation of the medical staff as well as the drug addict, यानी जो नशे का आदि शख्स है उसकी और जो फुल टीम है उस सेंटर की उसकी कोऑपरेशन से द पेशेंट कैन इजीली इम्प्रूव. See the question, what treatment is available at the rehabilitation centers of drug victim? So treatment available at the rehabilitation centers for drug victim is complete medical support and guidance so that the victim can be improved easily और इफ़ेक्टिवली कि इन सेंटर्स में मुकम्मल तौर पर मेडिकल सपोर्ट दी जाती है और गाइडेंस दी जाती है. सी पैराग्राफ नंबर 5. द अदर फैक्टर दैट कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू द रिहेबिलिटेशन ऑफ द ड्रग विक्टिम इज़ प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग. सो द अदर फैक्टर, द अदर एस्पेक्ट दैट कंट्रीब्यूट्स मीन्स डोनेट टू द रिहेबिलिटेशन ऑफ द ड्रग विक्टिम के जो भी नशे का आदी शख्स है उसकी बहाली के लिए जो दूसरा अहम फैक्टर है या एस्पेक्ट है वो है इस प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग. उसको प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन दी जाती है. काउंसलिंग मीन्स डायरेक्शन, मशवरा देना. उर्दू में काउंसलिंग का मतलब यानी प्रॉपर से मशवरा किया जाता है, उसको समझाया जाता है. द सूनर इट इज़ डन द बेटर इट इज़ फॉर द विक्टिम. द सूनर द पेशेंट विल गो फॉर द काउंसलिंग द sooner he will be recover or become better. कि जितनी जल्दी उसके साथ जो है उसकी काउंसलिंग होगी या उसको समझाया जाएगा, जितना जल्दी उसको समझाया जाएगा उतनी जल्दी जो भी पेशेंट है वो बेहतर हो जाएगा. द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस मस्ट कंटिन्यू इवन आफ्टर द ड्रग एब्यूजर्स इज रिहेबिलिटेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द डेंजरस ऑफ द रिलैप्स. रिलैप्स मीन्स गो बैक टू, यानी वो दोबारा से नशे का शिकार हो सकता है. द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस मस्ट कंटिन्यू. जितना जो काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस है या जो उसको समझाने का मरहला है या तरीका है उसको उसके सेहतयाब होने के, ड्रग एब्यूज़र्स के सेहतयाब होने के बाद भी जारी रखना चाहिए क्योंकि उसको दोबारा से नशे का आदी बन जाने का ख़तरा होता है. इट इज़ द डेंजर दैट द पेशेंट विल अगेन go back to the drug. That's why the counseling process will be continue after the recovery of the patient. यानी अगर जो ड्रग एब्यूज़र है वो रिकवर भी कर जाए उसके बाद भी जो काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस है इट विल बी कंटिन्यू. Doctors, family and friends must continue to critically watch. Critically means keep an eye and counsel the victim for better motivation and adjustment. So the doctors, family and friends also keep an eye on the patient, and they should also encourage the patient to adjust in the society कि वो माशरे में एडजस्ट कर सके. उसे मोटिवेट करना चाहिए, स्टिमुलेट करना चाहिए, यानी उसकी हिम्मत और करेज देनी चाहिए कि वो बेहतर तौर पर जो माशरा है उसमें एडजस्ट कर सके आफ्टर द रिकवरी ऑफ ड्रग एब्यूज़. What do you understand by the term counseling? So the term counseling means counseling is a professional advice about problem. Counseling means the professional advice for the problem. See paragraph number 6. Drug addiction is really a very serious threat. Threat means warning to any society. So drug addiction is the severe or the serious warning for any society. In Pakistan only there are almost 5 million drug addicts. 5 million means 50 लाख, यानी पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ 50 लाख नशे के आदी अफराद हैं. Addicts undergoes numerous economic, social and health problems. Undergoes means experienced. Numerous means many. So all the drug addicts or drug abusers experience many economic, social and health problem. Economic means माशी, समाजी और सेहत के मसाइल से दो चार होता है. जो भी नशे का आदी शख्स होता है. The government all over the world have been trying to eliminate drug addiction from society, but still more efforts are needed to be completely wiped it out. Eliminate means remove. So governments all over the world, so all the governments in all over the world try to remove these drug addictions from the society, and they are taking more steps to completely abolish or to completely clear this drug addiction from the society. इसको मुकम्मल तौर पर ख़त्म करने, completely wipe it out, मुकम्मल तौर पर इसका सफाया कर देने, मुकम्मल तौर पर इसे ख़त्म करने के लिए मज़ीद इक़दामात की ज़रूरत है. This can only be made possible if the people become increasingly aware. So it can only possible if the people can aware. जो लोग हैं वो आगाह हों इसके जो थ्रेट्स हैं, aware of the threats that drugs pose means presents, यानी ड्रग की वजह से जो ख़तरात लाहक हैं उससे लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा आगाह होना चाहिए. Then we can remove this drug addiction from our society. They should वो means oath, वादा लेना, formally मजबूती के साथ, to live a healthy and meaningful life. So all the people should take oath to strongly that they will live a healthy life and meaningful life. Then we can remove this drug addiction from the society. See the theme. The theme revolves around the harmful effects of drug addiction. और इसकी थीम ही ये है कि how we can know about the harmful effect of drug addiction. It also refers to the importance of the rehabilitation centers in treating drug addicts. It highlights the vital role that counseling plays in making people live a healthy life. So we know about the effects of drug addiction. Secondly, we know about the rehabilitation centers where a patient can be easily recover, and then we know the important role of counseling that plays to improve our patient and the people lives a healthy life. That is the theme of the chapter. You have to also learn it. Just learn last 3 paragraphs, learn all difficult words meaning and the question, last 2 questions given in your textbook. That is your home task. That's it. Allah Hafiz.